Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to link your Riot Games account to your YouTube account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon in the top right. Go ahead and left click on that, and then go down and select where it says Settings. On the left side, select Connected Apps. And now on the right side, scroll down and you want to select where it says Riot Games. Go ahead and select the Connect button, and then at this point you'll be able to go ahead and sign into your Riot Games account with your credentials, and then at that point you'll be able to sync it up to your YouTube account. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.